Welcome back everybody. So how you can change your default save location in Mozilla Firefox. So how you can do that? First of all, search the Mozilla. Okay, I can search the Mozilla, or you can search I think so Firefox. Okay, open the Firefox. Okay, now you can click, not now. Okay, so just you can see the right in the right hand side there are dot three bars. Okay, three bars. Click on the settings. Okay, and slide down a little bit and click on the setting icon. When you click on setting icon, slide down a little bit, slide down a little bit, and slide down a little bit. There are many options you can see, and here you can see the file and application. Okay, the file and application option, you can change the where you want to save your files. Okay, so browse it and you can select the location and select the folder and okay. And also you can check this option. If you check this option, the browser will ask you where you want to save the file. Okay, every time you download something. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Bye.